Kia ora, ko Kodin Elkington. I'm 19 years old and one of my passions is Rangatahi mental health. My passion for this stems from personal impact. I sustained an injury in volleyball, which is the game that I love, and it forced me to stay home, isolated. I wasn't able to train or hang out with my friends that were at training. And I found myself getting stuck in depressive loops, overthinking and feeling small. But I knew that I had to change something to overcome this. One of the best ways for me was going for walks, connecting myself with the whenua, getting out in the sun, feeling the energy. I know that there are a lot of rangatahi out there that are struggling with similar things. And I think that for me, one of the best ways to keep my mindset was my dog Scruffy. And he helped me with my motivation. Helping him taught me that I can also help myself, and I can see how much that impacts him. Recently, I had the opportunity to feature on a Puāwai podcast, which was a whole bunch of rangatahi and different kaupapa to help rangatahi mental health. And my kaupapa was to incorporate physical movement into the mental health space. Physical activity helped me a lot and helped a lot of others, but it may not be your outlet. You could be someone struggling with identity. You could be a creative person. You could just need a safe space. Nowadays, rangatahi are so connected on their phones with social media. Ā-kanohi ki te ā-kanohi is so important because it's that human connection that allows us to feel each other's energy. And this is why I'm happy that organizations like Te Tiratu are out there to give information, improving rangatahi mental health. And if you are struggling with anything challenging or going through a hard time, there are people out there that care about you and that will help you through this. Kia kaha.